Guru Nation, welcome back to the clinicaltrialsguru.com. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Go to the podcast. We're going to be doing we've been doing a daily podcast, and now it's a couple times a week. Initially, we started out as daily, so go to iTunes or whatever app you use for podcasts. Random musings from the Clinical Trials Guru. Okay, let's go. So today's video is about corrective action plans, CAP. So what is a CAP? Well, I just said it. It's a corrective action plan. So what a CAP is whenever a research site, whenever a CRA discovers that a research site is repeating the same mistake over and over again, or not following a part of their SOP, or maybe just one instance of a really bad protocol deviation or a GCP deviation or a GCP violation, they'll have them do a CAP, a corrective action plan. So the CRA will approach the principal investigator and let them know, hey, I'm discovering this issue, I think it's a problem, the sponsor also thinks it's a problem, and we're going to need you guys to do a corrective action plan. Usually the CRA won't act alone. The CRA is going to get the go-ahead from the project manager or the team lead or the sponsor for the site to do the corrective action plan. So this goes beyond just doing another retraining in the site training log in the regulatory binder, which the CRA can use at their own discretion, the PIs can use at their own discretion. This is a recommendation that the site do a CAP, a corrective action plan, documenting this very particular issue, what's going on, how do we correct it, how do we prevent this from happening in the future. The CAP will then go into the regulatory binder. All the staff who are affiliated with the study will sign it, the PI will sign it, the monitor will document this in the next monitor trip report, and it may even be an action item in the follow-up letter from the visit that triggered the need to do the CAP. So just really quick, that's what a CAP is. It's a corrective action plan. It could be as little as a few sentences, it could be as long as 10 pages or more, whatever the site deems appropriate and the PI deems appropriate for making sure that the action or the infraction does not occur again, or at least that the site does everything in their power to reasonably prevent this from occurring again in the future. Corrective action plan, usually initiated by the sponsor, but communicated to the site through the CRA. Thank you, Guru Nation. Hopefully this helps. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.